let's see how good it is. So if this lens is good, please do let me know, because I have no idea how the autofocus actually is. So let's do this. I just came here this afternoon. The time right now is 3:30 and it's quite sunny. It's not brilliant, but the sun there is a little bit bright. So I'm using the Samyang 24mm 1.8, and I think I'm shooting in the ISO is set to 100. I'm shooting the normal low shutter speed like 160 because my frame rate is 30. Yeah, so I just want to see how good the quality of the lens is. So what I'm going to do is I'll just walk to see how good the lens is. I'm not using any lavalier microphone, but I have a shotgun microphone mounted on the camera. So I just want to see how good the quality of the lens is. So what I'll do is I'll just pan the camera out a bit with the tripod. I have this Manfrotto mini tripod here. So I'll just vlog, like walk around with the camera just to see how good the ABS is. So stay with me, let's do this. So what I'll actually do is I'll vlog facing the sunshine so that we can see how good the wide angle is. It's pretty amazing. I've been testing this lens. I've vlogged on the high street. If you watch the last video, you could see the autofocus. So far I don't have any problem with it. It's quite beautiful. You know, I'm enjoying, you know, this journey of content creation. And as a content creator, you have to learn all sorts of skills, and one of the skills is using an ND filter on a different condition. Look, it's quite sunny, the sunshine is there. I'm using Amazon polarizer or something. So what I'll do is I'll just flip the camera a bit to see how good this lens actually is, because you know I'm going to a sunshine country, I mean the sunny country, in a few days time, and I think it's just like the perfect day to test this lens, because if I could get the settings right, then I think I can get you guys some cinematic footage in a few coming days. So far so good. The sunshine is on me, so I'll go home and I'll edit the videos. Another thing I'll do is I'll change the color profile to I think hybrid log gamma 0. Then edit the videos to see how good the quality is using the HLG. So let me stop now and then change the profile to see if it's better than just shooting the normal mode. Alright, so now I've changed the color profile. I'm shooting the same direction again. I've changed it to S-Log 3, I think. So now, after this shot, I'll probably edit the video. I'll try my best to put it on the video so that you can see the difference between using the normal manual mode with my own control, shutter speed and the ISO settings. But at the moment, I'm shooting in a color profile, so when I get home I'll use a custom lit to edit, to color grade this footage. So I don't know how it's going to look like, because it's very, very sunny out here, and yeah, I just have to wait and see how good this color profile will look like on the sunshine there, because if I get it right, then this will be set to my default color profile when I go on holiday. And are you struggling to get a lens? Because so far I've been shooting with this lens. It's pretty amazing. I did a lot of content with this lens already. I did some sit down vlogs already, and I did some amazing vlogs. and I can't wait to do more of content like travel vlogs, food vlogs, a lot of amazing content using this lens. So if you're struggling to get a lens, I would strongly recommend you get this lens, because today I spent almost 2 hours researching for ND filter. I don't know which ND filter I actually need. Maybe I just need to get a cheap one for now, and then probably later I get an expensive one. I'm shooting with Sony a7c, and my ISO is set to lowest. I always like to shoot with a low ISO, so that when I get home I can probably tweak it a little bit, and then but once it's fine I don't have to do a lot. Yeah, so it's been amazing so far. I'm also using the Manfrotto tripod, mini tripod. Just a quick question though, what do you think of the wide angle? Because a lot of people complaining that it's very tight, but I don't have long arms, but so far so good, right? Let me see how good the autofocus is. Yeah, let me get closer. Is it good? Is it better? Yeah, so that's where the tripod is. I mount it there. I'll mount it again probably on the other side of the park to see if we can get a different angle. Right, so that's it. Let's continue doing this test. The sunshine is there and it's on me, and I don't know how good this color profile will be when I probably export the video to the Final Cut Pro. I don't have any ND filter on. I'm not shooting with any color profile. I'm just shooting with the auto settings. I mean the Sony auto settings with this Samyang 24mm. So I'm just going to run, yeah, to see how good the stability of this camera is. I'm running really fast, and I just want to see how good I can go. Is it good? Yeah, this is how I do my test to see if I could actually use this lens any day. I'm using auto settings though, but maybe I need to probably change the setting as well to see how good it is. I'm running again. I'm running. Let's see how good the lens is. Is it good? Is the focus still good? It's pretty amazing. Woo. Yeah. Do me a little favor. Please like this video. Please do like the video. So I changed the settings again, and now I'll put the polarizer on, the Amazon Basic, the 10-pound lens or filter, whatever they call it. I'll put it on. I think it's doing an amazing job. So let me just run again. How good it is? Is it good? If it's good, please do let me know. It's very important. Hello. How are you guys doing today? So today I'm here presenting you Ghana FunTube. How are you guys doing today? So it's just a little bit update. So I bought this new lens. It's Samyang 24mm and 1.8. The reason why I bought this lens because I'm going on holiday. I need somewhere where I can get a very super wide angle. Yeah, I need a lens like that can do the job. And here is the lens. Look, see how good the focus is. It's good, right? So before I come back, how good? It's pretty amazing. Right. So I bought this lens because I'm going that way, and I need something that can give me this wide angle and also a bit of bokeh when I'm doing sit-down vlogs at home. And 1.8, you can't go wrong. So my friend said the next level is 1.4. So behind me there, that's the point set. It's gorgeous. And then I don't have a zoom, so but you can see through this lens. There's a 7 bridge there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get here. Can you see that? If you look very closely, there's a 7 bridge there, and also the yellow thing that you see there, that's the Lido swimming pool. This pool was actually featured on an American TV series. I'll put it over the video. I think I forgot. It was one of those DIY presenters that actually came to renovate the whole pool. It was massive for the community. Like living in Portishead is a big thing. Yeah. So how are you guys doing today? Because you know this lens is doing an amazing job. I did a low test, I did a night test, and I did a driving video with this lens. And today I'm shooting in a S-Log3, which I think is a hybrid low gamma. And then when I finish this, I will edit a video using a custom Elite. So the channel update actually is I'm going away, and I try to focus more on the travel content, because I think most of you guys, most of you the viewers, want to see more of travel content, more of food. So I hope these coming few weeks will give you something that you've been longing for, and with the help of this Sony a7c and also this Samyang 24mm 1.8, I think we can break boundaries. We can probably get to 10,000 subscribers in few days. So the dream is to hit 1 million one day. You know, people said you're crazy, but you know, there's a saying, if your dream doesn't scare you, then it's not big enough. So the time right now actually is 4 o'clock, and look, this lens is doing an amazing job. The only problem is I'm struggling to find ND filter, because I decided not to go for one. I'll probably use the cheap Amazon basic one, and then probably when I return back from holiday, I'll actually do a proper investigation and then get a proper ND filter. But if you know any good one, please do drop the link in the description, or just type which one is the best one to get for my vlogs, because I do a bit of vlogging, like street style vlogging, then a bit of cinematic videos, like where you just see people moving around like in the markets and stuff like that. So yeah, it will be good. So if you can recommend any nice one, because I do travel to sunny countries a lot. I was born in Ghana, so you can imagine most of the videos from Ghana will be very, very hot, very sunny, and I don't want the image to be ruined by the UV. So guys, it's been amazing talking to you, sharing this amazing content for you guys today. The sun is gone now. I have to go home and probably edit this video. And also this branding here, that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to promote this brand and make sure we give you the raw content you always wanted. And if you're somebody who struggle for lens, you know, I strongly recommend you get this lens, because Samyang is not paying me to say this, but I just thought if you need a wide angle but you don't have the money to buy the GM lenses, I would strongly recommend you go for this one, because you can see I'm doing a video with this lens. And I do most of the videos. If you watch the previous videos, I actually use this Manfrotto tripod, and you can see the length, you can see the focal length, you can see the bokeh, you can see everything. So I bet you should get this lens. This should be your answer. You don't have to research anymore after watching this video. I think this is the best bet for you. So what I'm actually trying to say is get this lens. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If there's anything that you want me to review or vlog about in the future, please do let me know in the comment section. Until then, Ghana FanTube, don't forget to subscribe though. At the moment, I'm just trying to walk calmly and then head home, edit these videos to see how good the wide angle is. The time right now is almost about 5 o'clock in the evening. You know, UK weather change every second. Yeah, so I'm just here trying to do these videos to see how good the lens is around the park. I've been creating a lot of content today actually, because I really need to get this tested. I really need to get this lens tested before my holidays. Imagine if I can't test the lens before my holiday. You can imagine I'll probably be on holiday. I have this amazing camera with me. I'll have no idea what to shoot because I don't know the settings, I don't know the lens, I don't know which settings to shoot. So I'm here about testing this amazing lens. The question I'm going to ask everyone: if you don't have £1,000 to buy a GM, why don't you go for this affordable lens? Because this lens is going to do some amazing work and it's going to put you on a platform where you can compete with all these creators who have this expensive lens. I noticed something about creativity. You just have to take time and dedicate your time when you're creating, because you can create, everybody can record a video, but the effort you put into making the content, that really matters. So you can see the amount of time I spent here today researching this lens, what kind of shutter speed I need to shoot, I mean which picture profile I need to shoot, and also because the UK weather is totally different from weather in the desert, or the weather in Africa, or the weather in Asia. So it's really difficult. I have no idea how I'm going to shoot, but I have all my settings ready. Hopefully, if it's all gone wrong, I'll just have to put it on auto, which I know I'll get amazing content anyway. And I also have my slow motion settings as well. I've tested it in the kitchen and it seems to be pretty well, because I tested it like 5 minutes and then I spot the video. I bet the slow motion was pretty good. What I'll do is I'll actually put the tripod here to see if I could get some slow motion of these cars passing.